Hey friends, Shari here, your real estate matchmaker, back with part 3 of our League City series. Today we're going to talk about how smart buyers actually win in League City in 2026. Because let's face it, by now you've seen part 1, why people fall in love with League City, and part 2, where I showed you the mistakes that can cost you thousands. If you want the house you dream about and your sanity intact, this is the part you need to watch. I don't sell houses, y'all. I prevent regret. And sometimes I make my clients cry with happy tears. First, it's all about the mindset. Smart buyers know their numbers before emotions take over. They understand their budget, their must-haves, and their deal breakers. They don't chase every shiny listing that pops up on Zillow. They know what they want and they know where they want it. They also get educated early. Flood zones? Checked. Insurance? Checked. Neighborhood reputation? Checked. Schools? Double checked. By the time they make an offer, they aren't guessing, they're executing. I had a client last month who walked into 3 homes before even thinking about making an offer. By the time we saw the 4th home, they knew exactly what they wanted. They made an offer, got accepted, and skipped all the stress that my other clients sometimes face when they fall in love first and think later. Strategy over desperation, y'all. Desperation is loud. Strategy whispers and wins. Next, smart buyers know their neighborhoods. League City isn't one size fits all. Some streets are quiet and tree-lined, and some areas are busy and noisy. Some homes are near future developments, and some are tucked away hidden gems. When I work with buyers, I take them to neighborhoods they may have overlooked. Those secret pockets that often have homes that check all the boxes, but without the traffic or the competition. One couple was set on a Main Street home, but I showed them a quieter street with the same square footage, better schools, and a yard that could fit a small soccer team. They were sold immediately, and here's the kicker. They got it for less than the house on the main street. Hidden gems are a lot like chocolate truffles. Simple enough on the outside, but oh, the inside. That's where the payoff is. Smart buyers also act at the right time. They don't rush into a home they don't love, but they also don't wait until the good homes are gone. Timing in League City in 2026 is everything. Homes with big yards, great schools, and layouts that make sense, gone in a heartbeat. One client loved a home in Brittany Lakes. She hesitated for a day and another buyer swooped in. And instead of panicking, we pivoted to another home in a similar area, made a confident offer, and closed without a hitch. She ended up with a better layout and a bigger yard, and that was her first choice. Pro tip, sleeping on it is how someone else ends up in your home. Don't sleep, literally. Now let's talk offers. Smart buyers don't just throw out a number and hope it sticks. They craft clean, strong offers. They know when to negotiate and they know when to walk. They understand contingencies and they understand deadlines. That's how deals actually close in 2026. I had a client who wanted a waterfront home. They submitted a strong, well-structured offer right away. The seller accepted it without a bidding war, and we avoided a stressful negotiation. The key? Preparation, research, and strategy. Desperation gets shouted across the table, while strategy whispers and wins quietly. This is where I step in. I don't just show houses, I match people to lifestyles. I'll help you find the home that you'll still love years from now. I prevent regret, prevent wasted money, and keep you sane throughout the process. Clients come to me stressed out, worried about missing out, unsure about insurance, and panicking over traffic. By the end, they're confident, happy, and ready to move in. That's a real estate matchmaker difference. My clients sleep at night, and honestly, so do I. So if League City is on your radar for 2026, drop match in the comments. Let's talk strategy before you fall in love with the wrong house. I'm Shari, your real estate matchmaker. Thanks so much for watching all 3 parts of the League City series. You know why people move here, what mistakes to avoid, and how smart buyers win. Now go out there, get your dream home, and maybe schedule a little virtual vacation for yourself while I do the heavy lifting. Because let's be honest, once you've watched all three, you're really like family. And families don't stress over real estate.